Hello, everyone. This is Silver Prep and Grandma. I wanted to take a few minutes today to share with you some items that I'm going to start prepping that are non-food related. I will not be storing these items in this room. I'll store the laundry detergent and bleach in the laundry room. The deodorants, shampoo, conditioners will go in the hall closet. And the dish soap will go in the kitchen under the sink. And I've got some preps for the animals. It'd probably be more cost efficient if we would buy the bigger bags, but the small bags are just easier for us to handle and they're easier to store. So this is what I'm probably going to be focusing mostly on in the next coming months, is just getting some things that are non-food related. I hope you guys all had a really good Christmas. Hope you got to spend it with your family and friends, and I hope you have a great day, a great weekend. Take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.